Food processor cleanup. To quickly clean your food processor, fill it halfway with water and run it for a few seconds. Salad dressing hack. Use an empty jar with a tight-fitting lid to shake together homemade salad dressing. Baking sheet liners. Use parchment paper or silicone mats to prevent food from sticking to baking sheets. Lemon berry stain removal. Rub a cut strawberry on clothing stained with berry juice to help lift the stain. Frozen fruit smoothies. Freeze fruit in individual portions for easy and quick smoothie making. Olive oil dispenser. Repurpose an empty glass bottle with a pour spout for easy olive oil dispensing. Baking powder test. Test the freshness of your baking powder by adding a teaspoon to hot water. It should bubble and fizz. Corn cob tip. Use a bundt pan to easily remove corn kernels from the cob. Coffee grinder hack. Use a coffee grinder to quickly grind spices like cinnamon or cardamom. Ice cube trick. Freeze coffee or tea in ice cube trays to add to iced drinks without watering them down. Muffin tin hack. Use a muffin tin to bake individual portions of mac and cheese. Avocado ripeness test. Gently press the stem of an avocado to see if it's ripe. If it comes off easily, it's ready to eat. Popsicle stick trick. Use popsicle sticks as impromptu chopsticks. Herb preservation. Freeze herbs in olive oil and ice cube trays for easy use in cooking. Toaster oven hack. Use a toaster oven to bake small batches of cookies or brownies without heating up the whole house. Mason jar blender. Use a mason jar as a single-serve blender cup by attaching it to your blender base. Watermelon cube trick. Cut watermelon into cubes and then freeze for a refreshing summer snack. Lemon juice tip. Microwave lemons for 20 seconds to get more juice out of them. Grilled cheese trick. Use a waffle iron to make a crispy grilled cheese sandwich. Egg peeling trick. Add a teaspoon of baking soda to the water when boiling eggs for easier peeling. Pantry organization. Use a Lazy Susan in your pantry to easily access items. At the back. Onion storage. Store onions in pantyhose to keep them fresh for longer. Avocado slicer. Use an avocado slicer to quickly cut, pit, and slice avocados. Blender hack. Blend soups in the blender until smooth, then pour into a pot and heat up for an easy and creamy soup. Bread clip use. Use bread clips to label cords in your kitchen drawers for easy identification. Potato chip trick. Microwave potato chips for 30 seconds to make them crispy again. Cereal bag hack. Cut off the top of a cereal bag to create a makeshift pouring spout. Grilled fruit trick. Grill pineapple, peaches, or mangoes for a sweet and juicy dessert. Boiled egg trick. Add a teaspoon of vinegar to the water when boiling eggs for easier peeling. Non-stick grilling trick. Oil the grates of your grill with a half onion to prevent food from sticking. Dish soap trick. Use dish soap to clean your blender, just add water and blend. Citrus slice trick. Slice citrus fruits like lemons and limes crosswise to make them easier to squeeze. Microwave rice trick. Cook rice in the microwave in a large bowl with a lid for easy and fluffy rice. Aluminum foil hack. Use aluminum foil to make a makeshift baking pan in a pinch. Oven mitt trick. Use a kitchen towel as an oven mitt in a pinch. Salad spinner hack. Use a salad spinner to dry washed herbs quickly. Mason jar lunch. Layer salad ingredients in a mason jar for a portable and easy lunch. Coconut water trick. Use coconut water in place of regular water to cook rice for a tropical twist. Grill cleaning hack. Use a crumpled up ball of aluminum foil to clean your grill grates. Watermelon drink trick. Blend watermelon with ice and mint for a refreshing, crispy bacon in the oven. Place bacon on a wire rack in a baking sheet and bake at 400 F for 15 minutes 20 minutes for crispy bacon without the mess of frying. Keep vegetables fresh longer. Wrap vegetables in a damp paper towel and store in a resealable bag for longer lasting freshness. Perfectly cooked rice. Use a 2-to-1 ratio of water to rice and bring to a boil, then reduce to a simmer and cover for 18 minutes 20 minutes. No mess pancake batter. Pour pancake batter into a squeeze bottle for mess-free and easy pancake making. Keep microwave potato chips. Thinly slice potatoes and microwave them for 3 minutes 4 minutes for crispy homemade potato chips. Keep bananas fresh longer. Wrap the stem of a bunch of bananas in plastic wrap to prevent ripening too quickly. Easy to peel ginger. Use the edge of a spoon to scrape off the ginger skin for easy peeling. No mess oil pouring. Use a spray bottle for mess-free and controlled oil pouring when cooking. Perfectly cooked steak. Use the finger test to check the doneness of a steak. Touch your thumb to your index finger and feel the firmness of the fleshy area below the thumb for rare, middle finger for medium, and pinky finger for well done. Easily peel kiwi. Cut off the ends of a kiwi and slide a spoon between the skin and fruit to easily remove the skin. Soften butter quickly. Grate cold butter with a cheese grater for softening quickly. No tears onion chopping. Place onions in the freezer for 15 minutes 20 minutes before chopping to reduce tearing. Make breadcrumbs at home. Toast leftover bread and pulse in a food processor for homemade breadcrumbs. Prevent overcooked pasta. Cook pasta for a minute less than the package instructions, then finish cooking in the sauce for perfectly cooked pasta. Easy garlic mincing. Use a microplane to easily mince garlic. Right. Quickly thaw frozen meat. Place frozen meat in a zipper bag and submerge in warm water for quick thawing. Store leftover wine. Pour leftover wine into ice cube trays and freeze for easy use in cooking. Easily slice grapefruit. Cut the top and bottom off the grapefruit, then slice off the skin and pith in sections for easy and neat slicing. Lemon juice ice cubes. Freeze lemon juice in an ice cube tray to add a burst of citrus to your drinks without watering them down. Microwave cleaning. Mix equal parts vinegar and water in a microwave-safe bowl. Heat on high for 5 minutes, then wipe down the inside of the microwave with a damp cloth. Quick breadcrumbs. Pull stale bread in a food processor until it turns into crumbs, then store in an airtight container for later use. Keep veggies fresh. Store vegetables like celery, asparagus, and carrots in a glass of water in the fridge to keep them crisp and fresh. Foil-lined baking sheet. Line a baking sheet with aluminum foil for easy cleanup and to prevent food from sticking. No-stick measuring cups. Spray measuring cups with cooking spray before measuring sticky ingredients like honey or peanut butter for easy release. Ice cream scoop for cookie dough. Use an ice cream scoop to portion out cookie dough for perfectly even cookies. Salad spinner herb dryer. Use a salad spinner to quickly dry fresh herbs after washing them. Plastic wrap funnel. Roll up a piece of plastic wrap into a funnel shape to easily transfer dry ingredients like flour or sugar into containers. Silicone baking mat. Use a silicone baking mat instead of parchment paper for non-stick baking and easy cleanup. Thank you for watching this video on secret cooking hacks to take your cooking to the next level. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting and informative videos like this.